Hey Dad,
Hi Tank,
such a nice bag. Where did you get it?
I got it from the cafe. Nowadays, more and more supermarkets and shops begin to use paper bag because of its eco-friendly durability and aesthetic features.
Yes, with increasing awareness of environmental protection and the relevant regulations of the government, the use of plastic bags is becoming less and less. Paper bag is a very good substitute. There will be a very large potential market in the future. I also plan to start paper bag project. So do you have any company to introduce me?
It seems that you are very interested in paper bag. I have a friend who works for Ounuo Machinery, a company that specializes in bag making machine. Let's go to visit and learn the production process of paper bag together.
That's great. Let's go.
Hi Karina,
Hi, Dad.
I take my friend Tank to visit your company.
Welcome to Ounuo Machinery.
He is very interested in paper bag machine. Could you please introduce the paper bag machine to us?
Sure. The one next to me is fully automatic paper bag making machine with handle online. The paper roll load on feeding unit through the side glue device, then come to the bag tube length forming unit. Next, we can see the important part, paper bag forming unit. Paper tube through the traction roller, paper tube cutting roller, feeding roller, pressing roller, bag bottom opening roller, and big drum. Finally, paper bag finished on collection part.
So what about the handle? Some of the handles don't stick well to the paper bag. Do you have this problem with your machine?
Let's go to see the handle making unit. Handle part including handle patch making unit and handle patch paste unit. Paper handle roll through the multiple rails. Hot melt glue and water glue to stick the handle together. A round knife make the handle slip to two. Then come to the handle paste unit. Paper handle through the position roller, two pieces traction roller, cutting roller, feeding roller. Conveyor ray transfer each handle to paste on the paper. We adopt four sets traction roller to make handle patch paste more stronger. Handle glue box adding glue in fixed position automatically. Because of professional technology, handle machine can run at maximum speed of 200 pieces every minute.
So what are the advantages of your paper bag machine?
First, our machine production capacity is 20% higher than competitor because our machine have the advantage of high precision, simple operation, strong stability, lower wastage. We adopt multi-servo control. The whole bag making process is regulated by computer. Big drum and other core components are processed independently by Mazak Okmar flexible production line of our company. We can put a glass of water on the machine to see how stable it is.
Wow, amazing! The glass of water on the machine is so stable. Really good stability when running at high speed. Your machine is so attractive. I really hope to have a long-term business relationship with your company.
Thank you. We will support you always.